क्या है इनका मकसद? क्या है ये भगवान या है ये हैवान? क्या पैसा ही सब कुछ है इनके लिए या है ये दरिया दिली की मिसालों से भी परे? सो हेलो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, माय नेम इज दिव्या कुशवाहा एंड फर्स्टली आई वुड like to say thanks to our respected Pradeep Agrawal sir and the whole NFL team who gave me this incredible opportunity to represent the untold truth about doctors. As we can see in this picture that there is a doctor with money. It represents that doctors works for money. It is a spiteful but the real truth about doctors, that doctors do examines and do proper checkup and give them medicines for the recovery of patient's health. And when patient takes medicine, then he gives money to the doctors as their fees. It's normal because doctor also a human being and they also wants money for living their life and to fulfill their basic needs. But in today's era, doctors do proper checkup, give them medicine, and patients also give them money as their fees. But the process is same, but the main transformation is the medicine that doctor gave to the patient. That is not good to recover his patient's health, but it is good to deteriorate the patient's health. If patient does not feel well, he does not feel recovered, then he will come back to the same doctor and the process will start the same. In the whole procedure, doctor earns profit more and more, but the patient loses the trust from the doctor day by day. Nowadays, doctor has become the profession of making money. They don't care about the patient health, they just care about the patient's money. But it is an old saying that everything has two sides. One is good, one is bad. You will definitely know the both sides of the doctor through this story. So listen carefully. It is a talk of 25th January 2015 around 8 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. There is a 5-year-old boy who is persisting to his sisters for watching TV, but his sister denied for watching TV. Then he went to his mother and told everything. Then she said that after half an hour I will give you the remote. Then he said that while I wait, can you light a fire? So she said okay, because it was a time of winter. But there is a thing that when your bad times come, then the single spark turns into a fierce flames. And the same thing happened with this family. When his mother tries to light a fire, then there was a single spark that bent into a thinner skin that burns the whole kitchen. In that accident, the brother got burned about 70%, his mother burned 35%. There is no chance to live. But when they reached to the hospital, the receptionist gave them an admission form and told to fill the whole form with the fees. After that, they will start the treatment. In the name of giving them treatment first, they just asked to fill the form and fees. That was not good. But what we did, it was decided on the whole doctors. So it is a thing, after completing the whole operation, they just treated him very badly, tortured him, and he just cry and scream a lot. They in fact give them a good medicines, but after some time they saw that he is going to recover and they want to earn money, so they just change the medicines to deteriorate his health and to making money. And they say something if against the thing, then they threaten them that we are not going to treat your child and take your child to the another hospital. That time there was not enough hospital in their locality, so they just tolerate everything, and doctor took the advantage and they did everything as they want. So it is a thing, thing will continued after like for 1.5 months. After some time, there was some peons and doctors who suggested them that take your child to the another hospital and we treat them, take your child as home. After taking discharge, they did all the things and they take discharge and take his son to the home. And those doctors who suggested them to take home, they came their home and treat him very well, and he is going in a great condition. And it was the real story of me and my family. And with this story, we just know of one thing, that we can't judge doctors by their profession, but we can judge doctors by their treatment. It is a fact that we have to accept it. And there are lots of things that are happening continuously and we don't know a single thing. So this is the all thing that I want to introduce you about doctors. Thank you for listening me carefully.